Hi guys, welcome to Tap Dance Tutorial at Home. This is Anna and today I have for you a tap lexicon number 1. Ready? So here's the step. Change of body weight. No heels on the floor. Just a note, this is called toe in the US, I know, so sometimes you will hear toe instead of step. Next, the ball change. Ball change is just 2-step. Ball change, ball change, ball change, ball change, ball change. On the other side. Excellent. Now we have the hop. So you're standing on one leg and you jump. Hop, hop. The other leg. Hop, 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 hop. Very good. Now the lip. So lip, 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 lip. Very good. Let's check the brush. So you brush the floor with the toe. Brush, brush, brush. The shuffle. Brush, 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 brush. The scuff. Like the brush but with the heel. The scuffle. Scuff, brush, scuff, brush. The dig. The ball. Now the toe. The tap or the touch. It's just a step, but you don't put the weight, basically. The stamp. It's like a step, so with the body weight, but with the whole foot on the floor. So it's very heavy. Heavy sound. The stomp is like the stamp with no body weight. And the heel. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this lexicon. Let me know if you have any question. Leave your comments. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here, and I see you on the next one. Bye!